Hey guys, I'm CJ with Diode Dynamics, and today we're excited to introduce 4 all-new kits for the 2022 and up Ford Maverick. If you guys have any questions about any of these kits or want to learn more, check out the playlist at the end of this video or the links in the description below. Let's dive in. The first thing we noticed about the Ford Maverick was the lack of a factory fog light option. While some argue that fog lights aren't necessary, we disagree. The purpose of fog lights are to provide light directly in front of the vehicle to increase your visibility in dusty, foggy, snowy, or rainy conditions. Headlights simply aren't designed to shine light to the foreground in front of the vehicle where you need it, but that's why we're here. Meet our new add-on Elite Series fog lamp kit. Our Elite Series fog lamps provide you with a razor-sharp cutoff that is SAE compliant with OEM Plus appearance that your truck deserves. And they come in your choice of either 6000K cool white or selective yellow, also giving you an insane amount of width at over 100 degrees of spread. Plus, they both include a standard amber backlight feature. Our in-house engineers designed the bezel included in this fog light kit to match the factory bumper, giving you a seamless OEM look between plastics, the look it should have rolled off the production floor with. While this kit does require some cutting, it's easy to do and absolutely worth it. The best part? We include a harness that taps into your factory signals, which allows it to operate as factory fog lights do. Now let's get into our new Stage Series kits. If you're not already familiar with our Stage Series lineup, all of our pods include both a powerful main beam as well as a backlight option that provides an ambient accent light that makes your truck stand out. With quality in mind, these kits were designed, tested, and assembled right here in St. Louis and are all backed by an 8-year warranty. Let's take a closer look at each one. Moving up to the hood, you'll find our Stage Series ditch light kit. This kit allows you to mount either an SSC2 or SS3 pod to the A-pillar location of your truck. This kit uses factory mounting points, so there's no need to grab a drill to install this kit, and you won't experience any annoying vibration like other kits on the market. Each option comes with our combo optic to give you a high intensity output downrange, as well as added fill light close to your truck. And just like our fog lights, we offer these in both cool white or selective yellow, along with an amber backlight. Around back, there's 2 more kits to check out, starting with our reverse light kit. This kit allows you to mount a pair of SSC1 pods to the bottom of the bumper using factory bolts, allowing you to add additional red accent lights and high power reverse lights, all with OEM functionality thanks to the plug-and-play wiring harness that connects to the taillights. And lastly, we have one more kit for your Maverick, our ultra-popular HitchMount LED pod. This kit allows you to mount one SSC1 pod in the 2-inch receiver hitch of your truck, adding a high-power reverse light and additional running light. Thanks to our snap-fit design, the hitch mount installs in your truck in minutes and connects directly to your taillights for simple, everyday operation. Don't miss out on upgrading your Ford Maverick today. Visit diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you want to stay up to date on any new or future products, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.